Hi guys, welcome to another episode on our food community where we share amazing food and drink recipes I'm sure you're going to like. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching always. So today we're going to be making a simple avocado sandwich. So we'll be needing avocados, some black pepper, some cherry tomatoes. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can use the regular tomatoes, some parsley, egg, a little bit of salt, and whatever seasoning else you desire. But in this video, those are all the things that I used for this simple avocado sandwich. This is a breakfast inspiration for you. You can enjoy this for breakfast. You can have this in your lunchbox to the office. You can have this for your kids to school, and I'm sure they are going to enjoy it. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can preserve your leftover avocados, just like I did in this video. I didn't use a complete avocado. I preserved the other one, and I'm going to show you a simple hack you can use to preserve it just for the purpose of staying longer in your fridge if you want to use it for another recipe. How do you like your avocados? Do you like it just eaten alone? Some people eat it with salt. Sometimes I eat mine with a pinch of salt spread on it. Sometimes I eat it like that in salads, or I just munch on it as a healthy snack rather than eating junk food. So how do you like your avocado? Tell me in the comment section how you like to eat yours. And recently again, I found out that you can eat and enjoy avocados with a spread of soya spice on it. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it's going to be nice because it's just going to taste like a normal, regular Nigerian soya. So I've mashed up my avocado, my tomatoes have been sliced into it, and I'm trying to mash it up. I'm adding a pinch of black pepper. You can use regular dry red pepper if you prefer that, but I'm using black pepper in this video. You can use coriander. I use parsley leaves, and that is what I have from my organic homemade farm. I got some at the supermarket, and since then I've been growing my parsley, coriander and mint in my mini garden. So this is what it looks like. It's been growing, and so I use some of it to make this toast. You can use whatever spices you desire, but this is what I used in this video, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. You can also drizzle a little bit of lemon on it, but I did not have lemon. I usually do sometimes, but in this video I did not have lemon, so I didn't use lemon in this. So I'm going to slice up my eggs. You can cut it into whatever shape or size that you desire, and then you're going to love it at the end of the day. You can also do this as a toast or just in your bread slice, whichever way you prefer. I'm going to be toasting up my bread, and I'm going to be using it in this recipe. Whichever one you prefer, you can use. Thank you for everyone who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Drop a comment to encourage me. Tell me if this video is worth your time. Did you find it useful? Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Please share, tag a fellow friend, loved one, family member who would love this kind of recipe, who would love to be part of this community, who would love this channel, who would love these recipes. Feel free to watch more than one video on this channel. Help encourage me. Drop a comment, like, share. Always remember to subscribe, and I'll continue to post these types of videos. I also post this kind of videos on this channel every time. So this is my toast. You can use a normal toaster if you don't have the normal toaster for bread. I use a regular toaster for this. Just put some butter on the bread slice, toast it for a while, and this is what you're going to have. You can just layer it on. You can do 3 slices. I did 2 slices. You can enjoy it whichever way you prefer. Thank you once again for everyone who has watched to this end. And I said I'm going to show you how to preserve your leftover avocados, just in case you couldn't finish one. If you try this recipe, or you want to preserve it, if you have more than one, you're making for a large number of people and you have some leftover avocados, you can see how to preserve it so that you can keep it fresh and from turning brown, just like I did in this video. So this is what it looks like, and this is my yummy sandwich ready for breakfast, and this is me enjoying it. Yes, I enjoyed it. This is me enjoying it, having a taste, enjoying it, and I gulped it down with a bottle of fresh orange juice made from yours truly, because why not? Enjoying a healthy meal is the key to a healthy life and a healthy lifestyle. So this is me enjoying my avocado sandwich. You can have this for breakfast, you can have this for lunch, any time of the day. And now to how to preserve the leftover. You can decide to remove the seed if you want to, and if not, you can leave the seed. So if you have some avocado oil, or if you have just any regular oil, you can use it. But in this video I used avocado oil. Just spray it on the leftover avocado, let it spread around the entire avocado, and then just put it into an airtight container. If you have watched till this end, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, tag a friend, continue to watch our videos, turn on notifications, subscribe, drop a comment to encourage me. And this is the avocado. I stored this, and for 2 days it still remained fresh, just like it is on the first day. So this is it. I stored it into an airtight container, and it remained fresh in the fridge for another 2 days. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please follow on social media at Event Flavors, at King's Kid, and